Hi, my name is Roger Crist. I am an applicant for the Director of Learning and Development role at Rhino Pumps. This is my submission for that position. We're going to learn about a four-step training method called TWI, Job Instruction. TWI stands for Training Within Industry, developed prior to World War II and is a recognized best practice by large successful companies like Toyota. Standardized training methodology is used to help ensure that jobs are done safely, correctly, and efficiently. There are many ways to perform training, including showing and telling. Trainers can demonstrate how to perform an operation, or they can explain how to perform the operation, and then ask if the trainee understands. However, the real value of training involves combining showing and telling by the trainer, and then allowing the trainee to show and tell to verify that the trainee is understanding and learning. The combination of observing, listening, and doing, along with ongoing practice, helps ensure training is effective. Our goal is to help the trainee understand what, how, and why in the operation. The TWI methodology requires the trainer to prepare an instructor job breakdown prior to training. The IJB will list the important steps, the key points in the steps, and the reasons why each key point is critical. Understanding the what, how, and why represent effective training. The four-step job instruction method begins with preparing the learner. Next, presenting the operation by telling and showing based on the IJB. 3, letting the learner tell and show the operation. And then 4, following up with the learner as needed. The 4 steps relate well to the Plan, Do, Check, Act PDCA cycle. Here's a quick example on telling and showing by the instructor and the learner. This example is how to make a paper airplane. Here's the instructor job breakdown for this operation. As you can see, there are 9 important steps. I'll browse through those real quick, and then I'll show you the key points and reasons why. So, for this particular example, you can see the steps: folding, measuring, and test flight. Now the key points and reasons why. You can see we've added additional details on key points and explained why those key points are critical. Things like alignment, aerodynamics, symmetry, structure support, and safety, making sure our airplane flies straight. We don't want to hurt anybody with that paper airplane. And we fly it because it's fun. Now, did we hit our target? Of course, actual training would involve confirming that you learned this 4-step process by allowing you to demonstrate and explain the methodology. I've certified many trainers in this methodology by performing this training with them and then verifying learning by observing them applying the methodology in actual training practice. Thanks for this opportunity to share this training example with you. I hope I get to be involved in the interview process for the Director of Learning and Development position. Thank you.